Hello everyone, my name is Alex and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore, and today I'm going to be reviewing our new Hidden Camera Detector. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com, and if you would like to purchase this product, click on the link in the upper right hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This hidden camera detector is similar to other camera spotters we've carried in the past, operating with these 6 red LED bulbs that flash, and you would then look through the red film to catch any reflections against camera lenses. This unit, however, comes with one major difference. This one will increase the rate of flashing lights with a click of the button, so you can more easily determine if there is a camera lens in the area. This can be helpful when scanning a large room, though we'll always suggest to get as close as possible to whatever it is that you're trying to examine in order to help differentiate between actual camera lenses and false positives you may get from such things as LED bulbs. You can tell the difference by understanding how cameras and bulbs work. A bulb will extend out from a base so that light can be emitted in all directions, while cameras have concave glass lenses that collect and refract the light from whatever it sees down into the center, where it actually sees from and leads to the recorder inside. As a bulb can emit light in all directions, this hidden camera detector's flashing lights would also reflect from any angle. Since a camera lens is concave, it can only reflect from the center, making it so you can only see the reflection when you're in the direct line of sight from the camera. The farther you are from a camera, the wider the range you can step from side to side to still get a reflection. So if you find a reflection, keep it in your sights as you move closer and walk side to side, checking if the reflection is lost when you go too far one way or the other. And now that we know how it operates, let's take you to the front room so you can see for yourself how it works. But first, please remember to give a thumbs up if you like the content that we're bringing, and give that subscribe button a little tappy if you want to be notified for new videos on the latest spy gear. If you'd like to purchase this product, you may find a link to the listing on our web store in the description below. And if you would like to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, click that Show More button and find our links down here. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage. Hello everyone. So here we are at the unboxing for the Hidden Camera Detector. Now, do keep in mind this is of our counter surveillance line of products. So that means that they will have this warranty void if removed sticker on it. Now, if this sticker is removed or cut, that will make it ineligible for a money-back return. However, you can still exchange the product within 30 days of purchase. So do keep that in mind when purchasing counter surveillance items. Now, in order to do an unboxing, we have to actually unbox it and cut this seal. So I do have some specialty tools for that. Let's go find them. This one will be fine. Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this cut. Okay. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, so first thing you'll see is an itty-bitty manual. There's not much to this device, so the manual doesn't have much to it either. Just one page and flip around to the other side. And right here is the charge cable. This is a micro USB input cable, and it can take up to 4 to 5 hours to recharge this device from a dead battery. And then the only thing that's left is the camera lens detector itself. There we are. And give you a little bit better of an indicator. Here is the power button right here. Hold that down just for a couple seconds to turn on the flashing lights. And see, it's going at one interval here. It has 4 different intervals that it can go. So click it once more, a little bit faster, once more, faster still. And here you go at the fastest flashing that it can do. Okay, then you'll hold that down for another couple seconds to turn that off. All right, that was the unboxing for the Hidden Camera Detector. Hope you enjoyed it. Now let's go ahead into our demonstration videos. Thank you. Hello everyone, here we are at the front storeroom about to test out our hidden camera detector. Get that to focus here, there we go. So what we have here is just the on off switch. Just hold it down for a couple seconds, turn it on. See it going right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it over the camera lens here so that we can see, we can get a pinprick reflection against some of these hidden cameras. Those guys work pretty well. Stand there. Oh, there you're finding the DVD player. Speaker. And the spine of that book. And if you're getting a little bit too much reflective feedback on something like that, oh yeah, there you go. Kind of hard to see it now. But now you just go to the side, see if you can't move that flashing light away so you can get right to the pinprick reflection. There's our popular Zeta cameras as well. Now, I'm also going to show you how it looks on some LEDs. These are as TV remotes, and they're kind of recessed because they're not trying to send that TV signal every which way, they're trying to send it directly to the TV. You can see that you can get the same result with an LED bulb. So look for false positives. Right here I have a security camera. Now these LED bulbs, take this away for a moment so you can see. These LED bulbs are quite a bit darker. These are infrared LED bulbs to help it see at night. It's a little bit harder to see just because they have that darker filament on them. But see, you also move too far outside of the field of view of the camera, can't see that reflection anymore. Okay, and then here is the 1080p glasses as well. See that big old reflective surface there? Just move to the side, get a different angle. There you go, you can see it right there. Alright, there's your demonstration for the hidden camera detector. Turn it off, refocus again. Maybe, maybe, maybe. Alright, well here's the off button right here too. There we go. Just hold it down and turn it off. And that little light goes away. There you go. Hope you enjoy the hidden camera detector demonstration. Right, so that was a real-world demonstration for the hidden camera detector, and I was able to locate each of the camera lenses hidden in each of our nanny cameras. We do monitor the comment sections of our videos, so if you have a question about this or product or anything else, please feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you. If you've liked the content of this video, please leave a like and be sure to annihilate that subscribe button for future tutorial and review videos.